Ex-military releases NASA video showing a 3,200 kilometer long spacecraft of unknown origin. Bob Dean is a former member of NATO intelligence, high-ranking military man who has been involved in major UFO research, and he recently is also retired. He decided to divulge everything he knows to the world. In his newest video, Bob Dean shows images of an alien object about 3,200 kilometers long near the planet Saturn in 1980. A former NASA engineer turned whistleblower who has claimed that NASA has known about the existence of extraterrestrial life for decades recently released a video of a long spacecraft. The video sparked speculation and conspiracy theories among viewers. There are intelligent races out there that are 1 billion years ahead of us. We find stars out there that probably have planets. Those planets can be up to 3 times as old as our star, Bob Dean said. Bob Dean is also a former member of NATO intelligence, high-ranking military man who has been involved in major UFO research. Today, retired, decided to divulge everything he knows in the world. And in the video, he's showing images of alien objects about 3,200 kilometers long near the planet Saturn. Recent leaked Russian space program files clearly show the same object as he described in 1980. Dean explains in September 2009, the Cassini spacecraft photographed what NASA calls an anomaly, a strange object that they believe moved at will under the control of an intelligence, was metallic and magnetic. It was determined that the object measured about 3,200 kilometers in length by 80 kilometers in diameter. Cassini-Huygens, the Cassini spacecraft, the space research mission, commonly called Cassini, involved a collaboration among NASA, the European Space Agency ESA, and the Italian Space Agency ASA to send a space probe to study the planet Saturn and its system, including its rings and natural satellites. The flagship class robotic spacecraft comprised about both NASA Cassini space probe and ESA's Huygens lander, which landed on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Cassini was the 4th space probe to visit Saturn and the first to enter its orbit, where it stayed from 2004 to 2017. The 2 craft took their names from the astronomers Giovanni Cassini and Christian Huygens and launched aboard a Titan IVB Centaur on October 15, 1997. Cassini was active in space for nearly 20 years, with 13 years spent orbiting Saturn and studying the planet and its system after entering orbit July 1, 2004. The voyage to Saturn included flybys of Venus, Earth, Venus in April 1998 to July 1999, Earth August 1999, the asteroid 2685 Mazurki, and Jupiter December 2000. The mission ended September 15, 2017, when Cassini's trajectory took it into Saturn's upper atmosphere and it burned up in order to prevent any risk of contaminating Saturn's moons, which might have affected habitable environments to stow away terrestrial microbes on the spaceship. The mission was successful beyond expectations. NASA's Planetary Science Division Director Jim Green described Cassini-Huygens as a mission of firsts that has revolutionized human understanding of the Saturn system, including its moons and rings, and our understanding of where life might be found in the solar system. Cassini's planners originally scheduled a mission of 4 years, from June 2004 to May 2008. The mission was extended for another 2 years until September 2010, branded the Cassini Equinox mission. The mission was extended a second and final time with the Cassini Solstice mission, lasting another 7 years until September 15, 2017, on which date Cassini was deorbited to burn up in Saturn's upper atmosphere. The Huygens model traveled with Cassini until it separated from the probe on December 25, 2004. Huygens landed by parachute on Titan, January 14, 2005. It returned data to the Earth for around 90 minutes, using the orbiter as a relay, and this was the first landing ever accomplished in the outer solar system, and the first landing on a moon other than Earth's moon. This is by Collective Spark. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.